Want to simplify your Shopify bookings? Let's install and configure CXS Smart Booking step by step.
In this video, we are going to discuss how you can easily set up CXS Smart Booking app. So this is the dashboard. So firstly, you need to enable the booking system status. So this is basically the setup guide. So you can follow this guide to start accepting bookings. So first step has been completed by enabling this. Next is create your first booking product. So firstly, you can create your booking product. So here you can create the new product or you can select the default product. So I've selected this product, and here you can select the booking type as regular, single day or multiple days. So I'm selecting regular and click on create booking product. Next, once you are creating the booking product, so these are various sections that are available while creating, like general, availability, customization, payment, advance, people and services. So in this general, here you can add the description and location, and here you can also add the service image or logo if you want. So here with the help of service image, you can show the service image and you can also use the product image. Next, here you can decide the regular price, and here you can also decide the unit price. Like whenever you will decide the unit price, so it will be used to calculate the final price whenever the quantity increases. Next, if you want to enable dynamic pricing, so from here you can enable this, and here you can decide on the basis of weekday and weekend, and here you can decide the multiplier or fixed amount, and same you can do for pricing for weekend also. So this is the pricing preview, like base unit price whatever you will decide, so this will show here, and weekday price whatever you will decide, so it will come here, and here weekend price multiplier, like I have written 2, this will be calculated like this. Next is availability. So from here you can click on this. So this is the availability section. Here you can decide the display time zone, like all time zones are shown in America and New York. So here you can decide like this, and here you can decide the default schedule, like on which particular days bookings will be available. And here you can also set the limit per slot, like if you will enable this, so apply the same maximum bookings to all the slots in this block. So from here you can select, and here you can add the time slots. Next is date restrictions. So from here you can also add the date restrictions from here, like multiple dates or date range you can decide, and here you can also decide the break times when bookings will not be available. And here you can decide the recurring of this booking restriction. This is the blackout dates. Here you can select the dates on which particular dates the bookings will not be available. That means customer cannot book on block dates. Next is booking window. Customers, in this you can decide minimum lead days and maximum future days. That means customers cannot book within this many dates from today, and here you can decide how many days ahead customers can book into the future. And if you want to set no limit, so you can leave this empty. So once you have done this, you can click on save. And now let us move to customization. Here you can decide the widget appearance, like here you can decide the booking button label, like I have written book now, and here you can decide the confirmation message from here, and here you can also decide the widget accent color, that is the primary color that will be used for button and highlights. Next is payment. Here you can use like whatever the prices you have decided. So here you need to select custom pricing rules. Then let us go to advanced section. So here you can also decide the cancellation and rescheduling, like allow customers to cancel the bookings and allow customers to reschedule bookings. And here you can decide the notice period in hours. So here you can also decide the notice period in particular hours. That means customers must cancel or reschedule at least this many hours before the appointment. So they need 24 hours before they can reschedule or cancel the bookings. Next is if you want to create a form to collect additional information from the customer. So from here you can create the form. So this is the form section. So from here you can create the forms, and then you can add into the booking product. Next is people. So here you can add the number of type of people for your booking request by using this tab. So this is optional. So from here you can add this, like here you can name the booking name. Here you can decide the name, and here you can add the description. And for the booking people, whatever you have selected, so you can also decide the unit cost, like whatever the people type you have created, so you can decide the unit cost, base cost, minimum and maximum quantity. Like here I have written adult, and I have decided the unit cost as 10, base cost as 30, and here you can also decide the minimum and maximum quantity. So from here you can do this. So once you have created this, you can click on save. Next, if you want to offer any additional services, so from here you can create this, like I am creating like this. Then you can add the description, and here you can also decide the service cost for the additional service you are creating. And here you can charge the service cost on the basis of number of people, booking duration, and if you want to keep it optional, so from here you can select this. And if you want to multiply by number of people or booking duration, so from here you can do it. And once you have configured this, you can click on save. So this is how you can create your booking product. So 3 steps have been done. Now you need to add booking widget to your theme. So from here you can enable app embed. So from here you can enable this and click on save. So this has been done. So you can see that now it is showing total booking product as 1. So now once you have enabled this, now you can click on view bookings. So whenever any bookings are there, so from here the merchants can easily view the bookings. Next is forms. So from here you can create the new form. So let us click on create new form. So now from here with this form you can select number of fields that are given, whatever information you want from the customers, like this. And here you can also customize this like this. And once you have done this, you can click on save and activate. So the form has been saved. So this is the form that we have created. Now next is email and integrations. So we have also provided email and email integrations by which the merchants can easily customize the email notification for booking events. So this is the shop page, and you can see that now it has been converted into a booking product, and the option is coming as book now. So the text we have decided is coming here. So here you can see that it is coming here, book a 1 hour meeting, because from the backend we have decided like regular booking and we have not decided a single day or multiple day booking. So that's why it is coming here. And one more thing, like here when I will select on this, so here it is showing 1 left because we have selected from the backend the availability as 1. So when I will increase this, so it will show how many are left. Next, as you can see that the additional services that we have created and people type that we have created, it is coming here, and the prices are being configured on the basis of like whatever the quantity we are increasing. And let us select like this date, and let us select this date, and let us click on add to cart. And the last one is analytics tab. So from here the merchants can easily see how many calendar views are there, like how many total bookings are there, what is the total revenue, and what is the bookings on the basis of days, new versus returning customers, and the upcoming bookings, and what are the top services and what are the top 5 customers. So with the help of analytics, so all these things can be analyzed very easily. So this was all about the functionality of CXS Smart Booking app.
You're all set. CXS Smart Booking is ready to handle bookings on your Shopify store.